Okay, call 911. Grampy's on the roof again. Not quite. I don't have as much mountain goat in me. We're on the south side of the structure. And this flue right here. This flue right here from Hillbilly Home Inspections. That is the master bedroom fireplace, I believe. Because I'm only seeing one chimney and two fireplaces. The roof looks like it's a pretty recent installation. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. We're going to walk around the house and make note of some details. The underlayment is properly installed over the flashing. You see the way this drip edge flashing has been bent out a little bit? Well, that's a good thing. But, not that it's bent out, but it laps over the rain gutter. Now this roof covering, it looks like it's, like I said, a recent installation. But the rain gutter doesn't look like it was replaced. Don't need to replace the roof covering if it's not in bad shape. We just replace the roof covering. Except that in North Texas, these roofs last about 14 years. That's about all they're good for. Oh, it's a 50-year roof. No, they last about 14 years. And the rain gutter, guess how long it lasts? About 14 years. So you replace the roof covering, you didn't replace the rain gutter. Providing that we don't have a storm or some other event, then this rain gutter is going to start looking worse and worse and worse. And then you're replacing the rain gutter. And then the roof starts looking worse and worse and worse. Then you're replacing the roof. And then the rain gutter starts looking worse and worse and worse. And so you end up leapfrogging. Now, see right here? This is a good example. I thought I had another one. I took a picture, a still image of another one. What we have here, let's not make a shorter video. You have your shingles, your edge flashing, in this case it's rake edge flashing, and then your fascia board. Where it laps, right there, the manufacturer says it's supposed to be a minimum of 2 inches, and that just doesn't look like it's quite getting it. And there's some around the front of the house that look even shorter. There's your pool cleaner in operation. So we're moving on along. And then over here, see the rain gutter? See the where it discharges right directly onto the roof covering? Will that cause your shingles to age prematurely? It sure will. Should you have a rain gutter extension coming down here to the rain gutter? You sure should. Is it going to look ugly? It's going to look real ugly. And they only last about 14 years, right? So, I'm here to tell you that it's not right. Sometimes the cure is worse than the ill. Just saying. Satellite dishes should not be installed directly to the roof covering. They sell a special little jig, a mounting bracket, if you will. The only place I've ever seen it is going to be in the illustration that I'm going to bake into the report. I got that from a roofing class about more than 10 years ago. And I've never seen one. You'll never see one. But it's supposed to be there. So what's been seen can't be unseen. Moving on around. Got things to talk about. Got a text. Oh, 2 texts. On up. This is the first one I was going to talk about. This was shorter. The edge flashing. Right here at the southeast corner of the garage. Right there, that one's particularly short. This is kind of interesting. I don't know if this is a wall or a roof. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but that cornice plate is kind of deflecting. So it kind of takes your eye, captures your eye when you're walking up to the house. And you've got this beautiful foyer, this portico. Got all this. That's not what I do. I'm structural mechanical. It's out of my wheelhouse. I should just shut up. I should. Again, rain gutter on the roof, but I kind of wanted to show you this, and then I can just go ahead and turn it off because there's nothing really exciting to share with you. Rain gutter is supposed to be a minimum of 2 inches from the brickwork, the butt ends, and then kick-out flashing is supposed to be installed. So we do not have kick-out flashing over here. And then over here we have a diverter, but it's not kick-out flashing. You see daylight between that. So when the water cascades down here, is it going to run down your walls? I think so. I think so.